Good morning. Hi. Ready to start the day? Hi, it's Terreana. I just woke up. I have this mask on my face from the night before. Today we are going on some exploring of Guam to get out of the house. Let me go ahead and get up and brush my teeth so we can go ahead and get out of here. Gonna have these for breakfast. My husband made these last night. What are they called?
Runzes. It's like a German meat pocket, like the original Hot Pocket.
So I'm gonna have these for breakfast. Look pretty delicious.
These are the plain ones, and these are the mayo ones.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna get one of each. They look pretty
Yeah, they're definitely not traditional.
delicious.
One's traditional.
All right, gonna warm these up and have these for breakfast. I almost burnt myself. Ah!
Nailed it.
I heated it up too much. But I had these last night and they're amazing.
I'm going right now too.
Ouch! Still super hot. I didn't learn my lesson the first time. We're finally getting ready to leave, so we're going to head out to, I don't even know where, but I'll let you guys know.
A few moments later.
We're heading out to preschools to check that out. We try and get out to explore Guam pretty often, so that's what we're doing this weekend. So we're gonna take you guys along with us. We made it to preschool, so now we're gonna go ahead and check it out. You all right?
Yeah.
We made it to the pools and it's super crowded, so we're probably not going to stay here too long due to social distancing. Really cool to check out and everything, so I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can take a look. pools, and we're still here in Merizo. So we're just gonna go ahead and check this place out and see what's around. I'm starving, so we'll probably go get some food here pretty soon also.
I always wanted to go to Coco's Island.